What's going on, guys? eBibs here, Mr. Remote Life. So I got a good one for you today. We're actually installing the Unifi Pro 6 or 6 Pro. Either way, it gives you Wi-Fi 6. So we're gonna do an unboxing and then we're gonna install it, and come along, guys. Check it out. Hey, what's going on? We're actually on Patreon now. So if you haven't already, jump over, check us out, Mr. Remote Life. We have a lot of unreleased videos and videos that come out first before they ever make it to any other streaming platform. So check us out, Mr. Remote Life. Peace. All right, guys, you seen the thumbnail. You actually seen the intro. So here's what we got going on. We got the Wi-Fi 6 AP that we're going to be installing in this home that we're working on. So let's do an unboxing real quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to use one of their pre-wired ports that's actually on the wall, so we don't want to cut into the ceiling or anything. And it's kind of hot today, so it's good luck for us. We don't have to climb up in the attic and put it in the ceiling. So here's a quick unboxing. Let me change the camera around, let you get an overhead view. And what we're going to do is we're just going to sit on the floor because their wall jack is actually right here behind me. It's a little low, but it's good because it's an open space, so we don't have to worry about anybody kicking it off the wall or anything like that, or any damage coming to it. So let's get it. All right, guys, so here's a quick unboxing. This thing actually comes with some nice features. It's packaged very well. It kind of reminds me of like a Apple product. So it comes in the box. It comes with your AP. It's pretty thin profile. The good thing about this thing is it'll do 500 concurrent devices, which is pretty dope. That's one of the good things about the professional line. You see the Unifi 6 Professional here. It comes with this little metering thing. So if you were gonna, not metering, leveling stencil. So if you were gonna do this on a wall or something like that, because it actually has a wall plate, which is pretty cool. So this thing does a lot of different wall mounts. So you can do a T-bar ceiling mount, 3.5 round junction box, 4-inch square junction box, single gang outlet box, or 4-round junction box, or European outlet box. So it gives you a lot of options. And then it has also another security bracket here. And then another little rubber grommet. I'm not sure what this is, but we're gonna figure it out together. The QR code. And a nice package of screws and whatnot. And locks. So let's get this thing going and let's figure it out as we go. All right. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna scan that QR code, see if we got some instructions, because we ain't got all day. But here's where we're going. Right here in this wall right here, they already have a pre-wired Cat 5 line. They don't use this coax, so we're gonna delete it. And we're gonna just take over this junction box. So we're gonna go with the single gang outlet box. So that's the pin out we're gonna use, and it'll basically sit like this. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so we're gonna jump straight to a time lapse, because all we need is, like I said, the 2 screws and the mounting bracket, and we can record this thing and we're good to go. So let's do that now. Let's turn this camera around and jump right into it. All right, check 1 2. So we already had the Unifi app open. You see right here, it actually says ready to add U6 Pro. So it automatically sees it. So all we're gonna do is hit that add button just to get this thing added to the network. You see here it's adopting and it's updating at the same time. Connection shows wired. Now it's up to date. Status is getting ready. Once it's online, we can actually go in and assign some devices to lock straight to it. Because that's one of the great things I like about this product line is you can actually set devices to go to that one AP. So like for instance, this AP is actually located upstairs. The Dreamwall is downstairs. So the Dreamwall actually has a access point built in it. So it does, it'll cover the wireless connection for the downstairs. But upstairs, we have tons of devices that we can go in and make sure they're set. Right now it says there are no clients, but what we can do is we can go in. The good thing about it is it shows that Wi-Fi 6. And you can see the radios. And I like to actually leave the like services like band steering and all this stuff off the default just to see how it performs. If there's a so we can prefer 5 gigahertz or we can do a balance. But well, what I like to do is just see how it works in the environment that it's in first before I start making changes, just to make sure that we're getting the performance that we want. If we need to make changes to kind of make things a little more balanced and stuff like that, we can do that at a later time, because really we can just remote into it and do it. So for instance, this bedroom is located upstairs. So what we can do is we can say it has a connected AP is the Dreamwall. If we want to, we can say where are you at? Settings. This here is locked to access point. What we can do is we can lock it to the access point that's closer to it. This is the lock access point too far, will not connect. Lock access points offline, will not automatically migrate to another. But the thing is, if it's offline, that means the other access point is offline as well, because they're wired together. Apply changes. And then also in that bedroom, there is a Samsung TV. We also lock this to a different access point. And they have a theater room, and this actually has a Ecobee in it. You want to lock that as well. So then what we can do is we can go look at our topology, and there we are. We have it. We see that the Unifi 6 access point actually has the bedroom, the Samsung, and the thermostat all locked to it, and the other devices that are downstairs are locked to the device that's downstairs. So it's pretty cool. That's just a quick overview of how easy it is to set up devices and send them to the access point that you want them locked to, because everything is feeding off of the the main hub or the main Unifi console. So with everything that's important is being wired in, you're good to go. So there we have it. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today's episode. I hope you liked it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody. Of course, we always got more coming your way because we are loving the things. We're doing the things we love and loving the things that we do because that's the remote life way. So until next time, guys, we're out of here. Peace.